How can you be 90 years old? You say you want to sit down in power by force. Where is Cameroon? What did they have? What are they doing? Where are they in economy? Can somebody go to Cameroon and go and say he wants to become rich or go and hustle? You suffer. You have been there. You still want to sit down, hold the power. Ooh! The removed, or should I say the overthrown president of Gabon has asked all of us to make some noise. All right, so now we're going to do this together. Let us do it together for him. This is what he has asked us. He didn't ask us to come and help him to release him. He only said we should make some noise. So in solidarity with the overthrown president of Gabon, everybody make some noise. Woo! Shege Dambanza, idiot. We should make some noise for you. When you have been the president for how long without developing the country? Did you ask us to make some noise? When you had plenty money in your room, in your son's room, plenty money in your son's room, they saw it, different currency. Did you ask us to make some noise? When you imported snow down to Gabon so that your family can enjoy winter, artificial winter, did you ask us to make some noise? Now they have overthrown you. You say we should make some noise. We will not make noise. Stay there and sort yourself out. We are not going to make noise. Which one is make some noise? We have make noise now. DJ, make some noise. So let's make noise now. Since it's noise you want, we will make noise for you. Now, I always bring you the latest breaking news for those of us that want to listen. For those that don't want to listen and know what is happening around the world too, I will do my best and bring you the latest updates. That is what I'm doing. Share the video, follow the page, watch this video till the end so that you can be informed of what is happening. You that is in Washington, D.C. and the rest of them, listen to me. I am giving you latest updates. Now, first of all, let me start from my house. Or should I start from, since I've started from abroad, let me start. The president of Rwanda, Paul Kagame, and the president of Cameroon, they have both retired generals. Now, the president of Rwanda, Paul Kagame, approves the retirement of plenty officers, plenty generals, top-ranking generals in Rwanda because of the coup that happened in Gabon. So he has retired top generals in Rwanda. But me, I have been to Rwanda. Paul Kagame has been in power since 2000. He has been the president of Rwanda since 2000. I have been to Rwanda, Kigali, to be precise. I went to Kigali with my wife. Went for vacation, honeymoon. Now, if you go to Rwanda, you see how organized Rwanda is. Since after the genocide in Rwanda, the country became organized. They have in fact, very organized. Roads are clean, light, everything is there in Rwanda. So I don't know why Paul Kagame is scared. Why he go and retire all the generals. Well, that aside, Paul Kagame, I don't have a problem with you because I've gone to your country. You gave me visa on arrival. I enter your country, I stay as I like, and I left without doing anything. Clean record. Your country is clean. My record is clean. The person I have a problem with is the president of Cameroon, our neighbor. You have been in power and you are 90 years old. And now you are afraid of a coup. That's why you retired the generals, top generals in Cameroon. I will say that the most wicked people on earth and the most greedy people on earth are old men. I know I will be old someday, but I will not be greedy. And I will not force myself on people. The most selfish and greedy and wicked human being we have in this earth are people that are old. Sorry to say, pardon me, but I'm telling you the truth. They are wicked. How can you be 90 years old? You say you want to sit down in power by force. Where is Cameroon? What did they have? What are they doing? Where are they in economy? Can somebody go to Cameroon and go and say you want to become rich or go and hustle? You suffer. You have been there. You still want to sit down, hold the power. Well, that one is left for the people of Cameroon. I tell me, I must give you updates. As it is a breaking news, I will tell you. That is why I'm saying it. I'm not Cameroon. It's not my business. But I have fans that are Cameroonians. Cameroonians, what are you saying in the comment section? Talk to me. Cameroon. If you are from Cameroon, talk to me in the comment section. Do you want Paul Biya to continue down through the motherland, which is my country? This one I have to clear my teeth. See the video. I think it's a commander or waiting in army has told disloyal army officers to go. If you know you are not loyal, he has told you to go. If you know you have bad thing in your mind, he has told you to go. It's simple. Because they have pledged their allegiance to the commander-in-chief of armed forces. La ilaha illallah. No, that thing I'm laughing at what they are saying. No. Santi, I remember Santi, that's why I'm laughing. Wallahi, this world where I live in is very funny. So they have asked disloyal army officers to resign. You can go and look for another job. Please. So if you leave the army and you go for interview, you say, I'm a former army man. They say, why did you leave? He said, because I'm not loyal. So I want to look for another job. La ilaha illallah. Kai! I'm living in a very funny country. Latest update again is that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has condemned the coup in Gabon and has called for an urgent meeting on how they are going to interfere in Gabon. My own is that, I will always advise. Even if they say I don't have sense, I will always advise. So my advice to Tinubu is that don't leave your seat and go and say you want to go and fight, resolve Gabon. And while you are in Gabon, they have done something here in Nigeria. I'm just saying. So let us all be careful and watchful. Don't go and say you want to put hands somewhere and the next thing they are choking hand in your own yash. Sit down in your house and solve the problem we have here. Leave the one outside. They will sort out themselves. I think they say we are not the giant of Africa, so let them sort themselves out. I just say I should bring you the breaking news that you see for yourself and see what is happening. Today I don't have much to say. I just want to laugh. Allah, please share this video. I know even as you watch it, some of you will say I don't have sense. I agree I don't have sense. Have I ever argued that I have sense? I don't, but I am the spice creator. This is something you cannot even argue. It's not something you argue. Please, Google me if you like. You don't Google me. That is your business.